follow me. Let's see how it goes. So I'm approaching Bang Bang whole day here.
Hello.
Well,
No.
Right.
Welcome.
Shall we?
Yes, please come in.
Wow, this is. Wait, who set it there? Who set it to your Alright. So, wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Is this is Vogue Photography, Abby?
Yes.
Vogue Photography.
Those are my clients.
Alright. Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you the one?
Yes, I'm the one. It was a gift.
With right up.
Yes.
Okay, happy birthday.
Yes.
You are like how you.
There are a lot of reasons. There's different things. Like how you make children laugh. There are plenty of things, your achievements.
Wow, this is. Wow. Are you the one?
No. It's a client. One of my babies.
Alright, so show us around.
Okay, this is anyway. Welcome, Shima Viewing TV. This is my reception where we welcome our clients. Coming. My receptionists, they're both inside. They're all working. We have a client currently, so please let me take you in.
Okay, so sorry.
Yeah, these are our previous clients.
Wow.
We had to sample their pictures for client that walks in. I want to see what we have.
This is lovely.
Yeah, these are, as you can see, they have their age range. This is 3 months, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 2 weeks. I think this was also 2 weeks old. This is 1 day old.
If I may ask, how do you manage to take all these pictures now? Make them look the way they look like. You see, when you see those children, the way they look as if you are their mom. You are as if you are their mom.
It's from training, and children at this age, they're just like, when you wrap them, they feel like they're in the womb. So you give them that cozy environment, so it's not difficult for them to adjust to your wrap, because that's where they've been for the past 9 months. Folded. So we just take advantage of how the womb is. That's why we bring in our wrap, package them, and they're able to just feel comfortable, warm, and as you can see, it's from the wraps.
Wow.
They've been like this for like 9 months, so it's easy.
So they don't feel
any pain.
Sometimes I feel like, okay, maybe sometimes they will cry. Imagine this little boy is reading book. Maybe he's a future professor.
That was the concept behind it. He's a professor. You can see.
So how do you manage to make these little boys to be reading?
Okay, we just have our books, we just decorate it and try to put them in that position, and we start hitting our clicks as fast as we can. Sometimes they're interested in the white, the color.
Yeah.
So once you attract them, you put on the glasses for them. You just have to be fast with them, and you create your magic.
Maybe my son will take this kind of picture.
So as I was saying, this is our studio session where we have.
Good afternoon. So you have 2 babies already?
Yes, we have 2 babies on ground. This is 3 months old.
Are you excited?
That's 1 year.
My friend.
This is our place where my staffs, or you can see them trying to create their magic.
So this is where the magic happens?
Yeah, this is where the magic happens.
So all those fine
pictures you see, we bring them, we create them from this.
So now, in this building, what are they trying to do here?
They're trying to do a setup. It's called the swing.
Swing, okay.
Yes. You put the children on top and they lie down flat, but when the picture comes out, it's like they're on the swing, they hold it, playing.
Wow. So where do you learn all of this?
Okay, let me take it to my office, my storehouse first.
Alright. Please, so let's go to the storehouse. Alright, so this is a storeroom. Yes,
for our backdrops, our baskets, we use our flowers. See all the props we use there. These are also
even the clothes.
Yes, these are also props for the children. We have hairband varieties, but these are the ones I sample. Okay, there are others I made and packaged them. This is these are the things. They are also props.
The one you used to wrap them.
Yeah, these are the wraps. We do cover them. Then the rest are in the box there
So all those things.
These are baskets too for the children. Girl, put them. Wait.
You are ready for this, oh?
And so there are more still.
This coming. One is for musicians.
For the children, you use it for all you do want to do traditional setup. Okay. They have it. Sometimes they use it as a means of distraction. When you hit it, that was that. Then they want to hit it as well.
Wow, this is good.
Yes.
You have invested a lot of money. No wonder you are charging well.
These are more props that are inside.
So now, do you focus on only children photography, because this is basically like a children's studio?
Okay, I don't focus only on children. I do weddings as well. I cover birthdays.
But which one do you like?
Special.
What's that one that makes your body, like when you are doing it? This is where I belong.
It's the babies.
Babies.
The weddings. At the weddings, I like covering weddings.
Okay.
Good.
So once you be doing and be dancing.
You understand?
Oh,
when we get moments, you see the brides all happy. At weddings, you just see every shade of happiness.
Okay. So now, if I may ask, what's your Instagram handle, Facebook? What's
it's Vogue Photography.
Vogue Photography.
Yes,
Instagram.
but the photography has double Y at the end.
Maybe you give us the
handle, right?
The handle, then we'll look at it.
Yes.
So now we are going back to where we started. All right. Okay. Let's go. So this is awesome.
Thank you.
You are doing it.
Okay, here's my personal office.
Okay. Wow.
It's still under.
Let's see the office under construction.
Yes, it's still. You still have some work going on. This is my workspace. I come here. I do my work. When I have some jobs to deliver and I have to spend the night, I stay here and work throughout the night.
So it's like home away from home.
Yes.
This is good.
Thank you.
Well, congratulations. I notice you have plenty ladies here. Why? What happened to guys? Is it women supporting women?
Okay, it's not like that. You know, I've worked with guys and I've worked with ladies over time now. I feel more women have the passion and patience for children. You have to cut every noise, especially newborn.
Alright, so I just want to say that guys cannot do children photography.
No,
or what?
Guys can do, but it's few. You know, women has this motherly instincts and patience.
With guys, we have fatherly.
So over time, I've got to get guys that get angry easily because the children are not able to stay. But you see, women, they are so patient with the child. They go through the process. If the child is becoming cranky, they take their time to pet the baby to relax. And since it's a field dominated by male, I'm trying to bring in more females to be able to.
Now I see women supporting women. You know, you are trying to push us out of the market.
No, not yes, that. It's the women in the field is few. Well, not much, especially in Benue State. Well, not much. I'm trying to introduce the women. It's not just a man's job. It's not just a man's work. If you're able to go out there and you see an opportunity before you, be able to grab it. Pick up the camera like I did this before and I can do it again. And that because for the women, I'm been trying in a way that we can be able to fend for ourselves. If tomorrow you go out,
so you cannot depend on us.
Yeah,
I'm here to support men. Yes.
that's not true. That's not true. But you don't know what the future holds.
Okay, so how do you start and how do you get here? Like,
okay.
At least let us know the brief story of how you started and how you get to this place.
Okay, my story. When they say, when you life hits you and you have no option, you understand. I was not into photography. I never had passion for it, nor thought of being a photographer. I only love to snap.
Oh, you love to snap?
Yes. And that will bring me to my story. I was married. So while during the courtship with my late husband, though he's late, So I was always with him, helping him in his studio where he was working.
He was a photographer.
He was a photographer.
Oh wow.
So I was always there. I was interested, like, because I wanted free pictures, you know. Ladies can do things.
Yeah,
so.
ladies are free pictures.
So I wanted free pictures, and at the point in, I love children from the start. Before then, I was always this. They used to call me Mama Yara as a child. So when children are in the studio, I will pick interest, be there, adjusting them, playing, shouting, doing all kind of things with them, you know. So with that, he noticed I love children. So anytime children are in the studio, he'll call me, Hafa, where you dey? I say, I'm in class. Come, please, I have children in the studio. How much? I will pay you. So the money now, when I say, okay, how much? I will just shake my head. I will leave the classroom. My lecture, I was in university, 100 level, 200 level. I will leave it. I will run, and the next thing you see me in the studio, I'll play with the children. It started like that. He got married, and shortly after he passed, just like 8 months into my marriage, I lost him. So at that point, you know, I had nothing. I was a student. I was into Oriflame, but I had to stop because I was pregnant, 7 months pregnant. So for 7 months, I was not doing anything. No money, nothing. So I was just.
Imagine the stress.
I was just, okay, where will I start from? Where will I go from here? What am I supposed to do? I looked around. I didn't know what to do. I was blank in my head. So I just felt, okay, this guy was a photographer. There equipment on ground. He taught you this. Not like I was just working with you just to snap free pictures. He taught me how to edit. He taught me how to snap. So I picked up the camera. Though I was boggled shortly after he passed in like 2 weeks, but I had camera, and the camera was that of his friend. So I asked him, please, can I use this camera? He said, why not? So I took interest. I started calling his friends. I can snap. I can do this. Then
that's how you started making money.
I wasn't making money at first. Then I discovered the field was saturated, and the level of guys in the field, these are good people.
There are plenty.
There are plenty. I had to look, what will I do? Then I said, okay, children. I see a lot of baby pictures online, good with decorated backgrounds and the wrapping part of it. So I started searching online, Instagram, baby shoots. Then I discovered that it was more than what I was thinking. Then I took classes on YouTube. Then I started chatting those people. Please, I want to learn more. I'm into it. Then I started buying props, started calling people to do free baby pictures for them. Some people like 3 months. No, we are not yet coming out. Okay, 1 month. No. You know, it's very rare here. Snapping a newborn. It's from 3 months after dedication, then they start going to snap. Even then, you can't go to the studio. I was like, ma, don't worry, I'll come to you. So when they see the outcome, they're like, wow. When they posted, people started calling, and little by little, I started in a 1 room space that I rented, that I was shooting. Then with time, and here we are with our 4-bedroom flat.
It's a full studio.
With a full studio. Though I was still doing adults, I still do adults, I still cover weddings. A lot of people came because of the babies. That if you can snap baby, you can be patient. Then you can be patient for me to snap me on that. So here we are today.
All right. So what are the challenges like?
Okay, at first my challenges was pulling mothers to give me newborn to snap. It was hell. I can tell for my first 1 year, I had to do, okay, find a way to beg. Go to your house. Like, no, it's too new. I'll be wrapping a baby and you see the mother, will be like, the leg will break. The hand, please now. In fact, when fathers are around or grandparents, they should hardly hold. If it's mother, you know, a mother can, you know, women, when we like something, we can go through everything to achieve it. If a woman can stay in a dryer, you know how hot it can be. So they'll be through. So it was tough. My first 1 year was hell. 1 year was no problem. 1 year babies to snap, there was no issue. 6 months. But you see, what I wanted was a newborn photography. Newborn, that I can snap your baby from 2 days old, when your baby just come out. Start all those things. So it took a lot of time. But now more parents are coming in because they've seen it's possible, and have undergone some training how to manage children, not to break their bones doing wrapping, and when it's too tight, all those
break
things.
And you amend it.
you don't break. We just do this thing. You know, sometimes in the process of wrapping them, you can dislocate their arms.
Hey.
Yes.
They're my boys, yeah.
So that was an issue for me. That was an issue for me, but it's better now. Parents, I had to educate them. This is what I'm to do. I'm a professional. It's not just I just started today. I went for classes. I paid.
Okay.
Then again, it's a field dominated by men. People walk into my studio and the next thing they ask, "Where's Oga?"
And Oga will be sitting right here.
I'm here. I'll be like, "You're talking with me on the phone. We're on WhatsApp chatting." So they call me. First of all, "Hello, man, welcome." I'm like, welcome, thank you. Please, can I see your Oga? I say, I'm here.
You will be like,
okay, the first thing that first, my name actually is Vogue. No, I took it after my late husband. He was fond of the name, so I just continued with it. And they'll be like, I thought I was talking to a man. I said, "Oh, the voice now." Like, you have a deep voice now. So it was a challenge. People walking in and seeing a lady, they're like, first of all, they'll always be drawn. They don't give me the attention. They feel it's a man's job and a man should be able to deliver. Then we have another problem: the tax people.
The tax people. They're taxing you. They're always taxing you.
I don't even know which one is it. Sometimes I have to go to their office now.
Yeah, to know the real people.
Give me what I'm supposed to pay,
so you can pay.
So I can know that I'm paying to this particular person. Government will come. There's another one that say revenue. Another one. There are different local government. Your frontage. It was so much for me at start. State government, area government. We had area boys to come, and it was a challenging thing for me. Like, you're trying to just set up, gather money, and they keep coming. So basically, there were most of my challenge. People coming saying, thinking I should be a man, trying to.
So, do you have any challenges? And let's talk about the beautiful things that happen. Like, people who support, like, they see this. Okay, let me just.
Okay.
Try to encourage you.
Yes.
Do you have people like that? Because sometimes I saw your pictures that they were all over Nigerian social media. Everywhere I say, I know this person. This is not my person. That's not this picture.
Yes.
From this studio, right?
Yes. That was Mama's birthday. The one she celebrated.
Even this year too, the pictures surface.
Yeah.
Am I lying?
No.
So the pictures, they always come every year. They say old people who celebrate their marriage. How many is it? 60 years?
60 years.
60
years 65 years
65 years anniversary, and they are so tight. And if you look at those pictures, then we will show them to you. You'll see. So guys, if you need sweet picture, standard picture anywhere, you can travel anywhere in the world. You know, to me, she's one of the best female photographer in Nigeria. Yes, so I don't know any other person. No, she's one of the best. And when it comes to children photography, you can see by yourself. Check her Instagram, check her Facebook, and you see the wonder that she's doing. So tell us the beautiful story. Yeah.
The beautiful thing is I have the opportunity to meet children, play with them, have time with them.
Senators,
children of calibers.
Pastors.
For me, I don't separate it
Ministers.
because as a child, there's this beauty you feel. This moment you share with them. Do you know when you're with a child, you don't get angry?
Yeah.
They're always laughing. The slightest thing you do makes them laugh. And it brings out that part of me that I can play throughout the day and I don't have to think about a lot of things. So for that. And I've gotten to get a lot of people come to me because you're a woman. Because you're a lady.
So let's support you.
Let me just call at weddings. I walk into a wedding and I'm snapping, and the next thing you see people come and like, oh wow, are you the one that took this person's picture? Wow, they were so beautiful. Let me just, please give me a number. It's a lady covering the wedding. At some weddings they even ask me, where's your guy? I'm like, no, I'm the one in charge. I'm the guy, the one covering the wedding. I'm like, Okay, that's good. Can I have your number? They'll check and they are okay with it. They like it. Meanwhile, you say I don't have guys. I do have guys as well. One just working. So
Okay, he's one of the guys.
yeah, it's one of my
just
editors.
a guy. You have a guy.
No, I have guys. I have guys.
You know about 5 ladies and 6 ladies.
8 ladies.
8 plus you 9 plus a little baby. 10. Imagine.
So I have a lot of people doing calling me that let me encourage you, and most times they call me that because I'm a lady, they always bring it down that I will be patient with the elderly, like the picture that trended. It was Mama. They had to call me that many people have come to snap Mama and she has refused. That let's try a lady now. So when I went there, Mama was like, Mama. And every time I was telling Mama was doing it. That was the shocking part of it. You know, people to be married for 65 years, they are not kids.
That's
Their age, Baba was 100 and something then. So,
wow. So now, how do you see yourself in the next 5 years? How do we see Vogue photography / video in the next 5 years?
For me, I believe in consistency and growth. In the next 5 years, I've seen myself training over
hundreds of thousands of people.
Over hundreds of young ladies and trying to expand.
Only ladies? Just say people.
People. Training. Yeah, I train both ladies and guys too. But why I've mentioned it, I want more for the ladies. So I don't want to just be the only lady or just have few ladies. I want to have women in the industry, and I'm looking at a more bigger space.
We have bigger women. We have bigger women. We have Tolani.
Yeah, Tolani. We have Raps and Roses. This other lady, 7 Shades.
CY
Bello. There are plenty people there, but I want more ladies into the field. Yes, Mbakan too.
We have Ray and so many of them, Jenny and all this.
Jenny B, Jenny Boo.
So we have a lot of ladies in photography.
And I want more to come in.
Okay, so ladies, you can come in, but I think after this, I think we should don't just be teaching people only the physical. Teach people online.
Yeah, we're working on that. We're trying to
create a YouTube channel so that we can come and learn from you.
Yes, we'll soon start. I want to do more awareness on child photography on YouTube because of parents, the way they bring their children into the studio to snap I don't think is the right way. Like what the things you're supposed to do. If I'm to shoot your baby, you should call me ahead of time. Let me tell you, let me know where the baby's dress is looking. Let's prepare for a photo shoot.
All right. It's all right. Once again, thank you so much, Vogue Photography. It's nice doing business with you. And what again? I hope to see you grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Amen.
As you grow.
Amen.
So thank you so much. We see you. Please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to her Instagram, follow her. Go to her Facebook, do the same thing. We'll put the contact. But she's married though, don't think you have seen.
No, I'm remarried. My wedding is in July.
So please, do not come and say you want to. So,
thank you so much. I really appreciate Shima Verin. Please subscribe to Shima Verin's channel. Thank you.
They say she subscribed to my channel.